Today we have a new old stock CubCadet chainsaw. I forget if this is a 50 or 55cc model in this massive box. Looks to be fairly well packed so far. Lots of fragile stickers, lots of tape, giant box. It was a stock photo. I think it was a stock photo anyways, or maybe the background was just erased. I don't know if I've seen any real photos of this saw on eBay. I'm assuming, like in the what looked to be a stock photo, the bar is attached because the box is so huge, and that's how it was in the stock photo as well. $365 was my total. That included shipping, and as you can see by the size of the box, this was probably a pretty hefty bill for shipping. As you may recall, if you've been on the channel, I recently unboxed a new old stock CubCadet leaf blower as well. So if you haven't checked that out yet, go ahead and do that. Pretty cool. These will pair up pretty cool in the collection, these two units. Let's go ahead and get this opened. See, I don't even know what the top is exactly of the box, so we'll just open it from one side and see what happens. Kind of an interesting box. I think this is the bottom, but it looks like this could be the easiest way to open it is from the bottom. So, oh, I hit something. Dang it. I don't even know if there's another box in here or if this saw is just in the box with a bunch of packaging. I'm not sure. I don't know if there's a carry case. Okay, there is a carry case. That's what I hit with my knife, was the bottom of the carry case. I hope the saw is not too loose in the carry case. Like some carry cases are kind of loose for saws. The saw is a little loose inside. And then this thing could have gotten banged around during shipping in the case. But as you can see, we got a lot of packing around the case. And the box really isn't overkill, actually, like I thought it would be. The scabbard sticks out so far. This is like the minimum size box. This is a really heavy-duty, boxy case, as you can see. Can't say I've seen one exactly like it before. Usually they're more shaped like a chainsaw. Now we can get the box out of the way and go ahead and open this up. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah, it's an easy start. I'm not totally certain how these work yet, but as you've seen there, I wasn't turning the saw over the whole time. You pull out slowly, and then towards the end, it will make 1 or 2 super fast rotations. I know I have a few troy-bilts right now in inventory that have that style, and some modern steels have it. It's a spring assist is what it is in the recoil. Not totally certain how that works, and I'm not a fan of it. They tend to have a lot of issues, those easy start recoil systems. But here's another look at the saw. 20-inch bar. I guess that puts a wrap on this video. CubCadet CS552, new old stock chainsaw from 2013, unboxed. And it'll be staying new old stock. I'm gonna put this on display in my bedroom since it's never had gas in it. My mom should be okay with that. And one day once I get a real better garage built here, other than that shed you've seen in some of my other videos, it can go out with the rest of the saws. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we go. And then this looks like it comes down. Oh yeah, there she is in all her glory. Wow. We have all the warranty information here. And those California regulations and whatnot too. Awesome operator's manual. This is the CS552, 55cc it is. So not 50cc like I mentioned as a possibility earlier. I just did not remember from ordering it about 2 weeks ago. Oh yeah, we'll be saving these instructions for sure. Don't worry about that. Okay. I'm not sure. I wonder if this packaging bubble wrap was in here from factory or if the eBay seller put this in here. Either way, I'm glad it's in here. I've been looking for one of these saws for maybe 2 years now. Finally found one, and it's new old stock. What about that? I actually found this on eBay like, I don't know, a year ago or more, and it hasn't sold. I finally pulled the trigger. Wow, this case is really neat. It comes apart somehow here. Interesting. Alright, let's grab the saw. Slide the scabbard off. Wow, awesome CubCadet bar. There it is. That's a saw. New old stock. And I'm keeping it that way too. We're not going to be fueling this thing at all. Oregon bar. Probably an Oregon chain too, I'm assuming then. We have some very light surface rust on the muffler. And some like, are these scratches on the clutch cover or what's going on here? No, they're just like little pieces of dust and weird stuff. Interesting recoil design. Just cosmetically, I mean, overall, this is not a very common saw. I mean, there's some of them, I know there's rebrands. I forget who makes this. It's either McCulloch or MTD, I think. I know there's like a troy-bilt version, a mcculloch version, and A few others, don't quote me on any of that. It's been a while since I've done the actual research. That was like a year ago when I first found this on eBay. But there's information out there on them. Emissions information actually says 56 cc is the actual displacement. 2013. That's awesome. Date of manufacture. The first month, January of 2013. So how old does that make this saw? 13 years old? Yeah, I think my math is mathing. 13. That's awesome. Made in Mexico. I know some of the other modern McCulloch saws, a little older than this, were made there. I've seen these Mexico stickers on them I've had. I'll set this down here and give you a real good view. It's got one of those fast start recoils, I think. Wait, or maybe this is just what they call the guide. Well, I don't know. I'll have to pull on the rope and see here. We'll do that in a bit. Chain brake. Interesting choke knob here. Oh. Yeah, that's that. Stop switch. Directions. Very similar top cover here to like McCulloch 3200 series saws. I'll stand up to give you guys another view of this in my hands for size, and we'll pull it over and just give you a better look at it here. And then that should wrap up this video.